Hi guys, I am Vishwaja. I am your host for today's video. Not every car that looks shiny and premium is worth buying. Some models in 2025 are leaving their owners disappointed with reliability issues, poor driving experience, or just not delivering the value is expected. In this first part of the series, we are going to break down the 5 least satisfying cars of 2025 according to consumer reports and real owner feedback. But before we jump in, welcome to our YouTube channel Auto Curious. If you are new to this, then please subscribe to it and please do not forget to press the bell icon so you may not miss any update of our new upcoming video. So let's start with the Audi Q4 E-Tron. Now on paper, this is Audi's answer to the growing EV demand, which is stylish, premium and packed with tech. This sounds perfect, right? But here's the problem. Owners have reported inconsistent driving range. You might see a promised 250 plus miles, but real world conditions often fall way short. That's frustrating when you are counting on an EV for long commutes. Secondly, the infotainment system glitches. They are a big headache. Freezing screens, delayed responses, and software bugs really take away from the luxury experience Audi is supposed to deliver. And then comes the maintenance. EVs are expected to be cheaper to maintain, but when something goes wrong with an Audi EV, the repair bills are eye-watering. So if you are looking at the Q4 E-Tron, it may be smarter to consider alternatives like the Tesla Model Y or even the Hyundai Ioniq 5, which have shown better owner satisfaction. Next up is the Nissan Altima. This sedan used to be a go-to choice for budget-friendly reliability, but in 2025, it just doesn't hold up against the competition. Owners complain about CVT transmission issues. Nissan has had CVT problems for years, and this Altima still hasn't escaped them. Slipping gears, delayed acceleration, and costly transmission replacements are not uncommon. On top of that, the interior feels outdated compared to the rivals like Honda Accord or Toyota Camry. Even though Nissan has refreshed the design, it just doesn't quite deliver on modern tech and comfort. So while it might look affordable at first, the long-term costs and dated driving experience make the Altima a car you should avoid. Back to Audi again, and this time it's the Q8 E-Tron. This SUV promises to be Audi's flagship electric vehicle, which is larger, more powerful, and premium compared to the Q4. But here's the catch. Many owners are reporting long charging times and battery reliability issues. For a premium EV, you expect seamless charging, but the Q8 E-Tron has struggled with both charging speed and range consistency. Then there is the cost of ownership. Luxury EV repairs are already expensive, and with Audi's track record, this can turn into a money pit very quickly. And here's something most people overlook, that is EV depreciation. The Q8 E-Tron is losing value faster than expected, making it a poor investment long term compared to alternatives like the BMW iX or Mercedes EQS SUV. So while it looks like a luxury dream, the ownership experience tells a different story. Moving on, let's talk about the Infiniti QX60. At first glance, this 3-row SUV looks like the perfect family hauler. Stylish exterior, comfortable seats, and premium branding. But owners quickly notice transmission problems. Shifts are clunky, acceleration feels unrefined, and in some cases the gearbox has required early repairs. And then there is the noise issue. For a premium SUV, you would expect a quiet, refined cabin, but drivers complain about excessive road and wind noise. Finally, the competition is just too strong. Vehicles like the Acura MDX or Lexus RX deliver more reliability and premium feel for similar money. That is why many owners feel let down by the QX60. It simply just doesn't live up to its price tag. And finally, the Mercedes Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This one might surprise you because the C-Class has been one of Mercedes' best sellers for decades. But the last generation has been plagued with electronic reliability issues. Owners report problems with the infotainment system, sensors, and driver assist features, all things which we expect to work flawlessly in a luxury car. On top of that, the maintenance costs are sky high. Even small repairs can cost thousands, and compared to competitors like BMW's 3 Series or Audi's A4, the C-Class hasn't been offering the same value. What is even more surprising is that many buyers say the new C-Class just doesn't feel as premium as older models. Too much reliance on touchscreens and not enough focus on driving experience has left owners disappointed. So there you have it, the 5 least satisfying cars of 2025 according to consumer reports and owner feedback. The Audi Q4 E-Tron, Nissan Altima, Audi Q8 E-Tron, Infiniti QX60 and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. If you are shopping for a new car this year, make sure you check not just the looks and the features but also the real world reliability and owner satisfaction. It could save you thousands in the long run. Once again, this was Auto Curious and I was your today's host Vishwajan. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then please subscribe to it and do not forget to press the bell icon so you may not miss any update of our upcoming video. See you soon in the part 2 of this series.